last weekend I went makeup shopping. I went a little makeup shopping. So I haven't took anything out of my bag officially. I took it out to check it out, but I haven't taken it out to put it away. So I was like, why not show you guys what I bought? I went to Sephora for National Lipstick Day. And I also bought things from Kiko Milano. So because they didn't have a small bag, I let them put it in my Sephora bag. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So one of the things I got was the Too Faced White Peach palette. I got peach problems, but oh yeah. But I never got the white peach. I only have the original peach palette. So it's in like a pretty tin can style. This is what it looks like inside. So this is what it looks like inside. And I'm going to swatch a couple of the colors to show you because I'm not going to swatch every color. Right here is Peach Passion. It looks like it's a metallic color. That is so pretty. I think that's my favorite color in the palette already. Oh no, the other favorite color is this shimmery one. Because look how pretty this one looks. It's so nice. I'm gonna cry. Oh yeah, this color is called Glistening Peach. I forgot to tell you. But let's do Creme de la Peach. It's shimmery, but it's not as metallic as these. Or as glittery. Let's do On the Grill. It's black. It's a matte black. Oh, it's really... It's a really good black. I think they make really good blacks. I don't know about y'all, but Too Faced makes really good black shades. I haven't tried Sweet Fig yet, so let's try that one. It's a little fallout, but it's okay because that don't bother me. Oh my god. This palette, I love it. It's pigmented. And it smells so good. It smells so good. It doesn't smell like the original peach palette. It smells like it has like a hint of vanilla. I guess that's the fig. I wouldn't know. But it doesn't smell like that exact peach smell. But it still smells like... It smells so good. I also got their peach matte spray. You have to shake it. Ready? It smells the same. Like... peaches were like a hint of vanilla, which I'm assuming is the smell of fig. I wouldn't know. So I also got the matte metallic lipstick from them, which is new. And the color I got is Bitch, I'm Too Faced. I'm not, but my makeup is. It dries matte, but it's still metallic when it dries. And that is lipstick. It's like a red with, it's a red with a cool undertone. I gotcha. Look at me here knowing my undertones. And because I got that, they gave me a cute Too Faced bag, makeup bag, along with the Hangover 3-in-1 spray. It's a setting spray and a primer. And then they also gave me the Better Than Sex mascara. So from Kiko, I got 3 nail polishes. I'm wearing this one right now. This one is like a burgundy and gold mixed. It's a dark nude. And of course, obviously, you see the blue. I love their polishes. When I wear them, they actually last me a while. So I recommend Kiko Milano, their polishes. Try them out. Try them out. Then I also have their Gold Waves Metallic Eyeshadow. It's a liquid eyeshadow. And this one is more of like a rose gold color. Let me get this out. Ooh. Look. I love Kiko. I love Kiko and Too Faced. I love y'all both. Y'all should hire me. Just saying, hire me. And then the last thing I got from Kiko is, this is their Smart Color eye pencil, and the color I got is Matita Ochi. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. So this I keep swatching on me because I can't get enough to look at it myself. It's the color of my nails. But yo, look at that blue. And it glides on. But look at that blue. Hashtag rose gold problems. Hashtag blue problems. Hashtag Too Faced problems. Hashtag Kiko Milano problems. Hashtag y'all should hire me. But that was everything I got that day. And every product was good. I don't have any complaints about any of these products I picked up. The eyeshadows are crazy good, pigmented, especially the matte. Because, you know, shimmer ones can easily apply, but once you do the mattes, that's like the real test. That's the real test. You know, if you like my videos and you like my content, you should like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, maybe click that little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.